don't take it. Take it, just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Okay, Royals, as promised, I am kicking off my 7-day Fun in the Sun week-long summer finale. You guys, this is my front door summer wreath, and I cannot be more thrilled with the outcome. So to see how this beautiful piece was created, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. First up, you guys, I purchased this cute little Happy Summer wooden plaque from Amazon. I love that it came with a ribbon attached. It gives me the flexibility to position it as I see fit. And it just came natural to me to give it a slightly asymmetrical look, which will kick off the overall flow of the entire piece. Now, I'm not going to do much talking in this, you guys. I think it is kind of self-explanatory. If you've ever watched any of my other videos, which I will link some of them, of my wreath or swag creations, the format is pretty much the same. But from time to time, I will chime in and kind of give you details on some of the techniques. Now, I will tell you that the oval-shaped grapevine wreath form is a refurbished wreath that I actually use for my spring decor. I just decided to refurbish it and dismantle and use it for the summer styling. I love the oval shape of it, and it gives a different look than your traditional round wreath form. Now, as far as ribbons are concerned, you guys, I just couldn't decide on one of the ribbons, so I decided to go with all of the looks that I pulled for this design. And you will see me here using my classic bow technique, where I simply twist and loop each layer that I want to use in this bow. I am doing actually you'll see it's a 6-layer, but for the first set of cluster, I'm doing just 3 of the 2-inch ribbons, and they are all wired ribbon. And again, I'm simply creating the tail, I'm twisting, as you can see, creating the loops, measuring them out to make sure that everything is nice and symmetrical, because I want this to be really full and dramatic.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how.
Here guys, I'm going to repeat the same look on the bottom with a dramatic bow, but as opposed to doing two different clusters, I just wanted to go ahead and get the project completed, so I did it all in one setting. I wanted to show you the first round to make it more comfortable for those that are beginning with bow making, to just show you that it can be done in layers. But here I am going to create the entire 6-layer bow with one setting, if that makes sense. So I'm going to do it all in one big cluster.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level. That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend.
At this point, guys, I am doing what I like to call finishing off my ribbon, and this is simply using the fishtail or diamond pattern for the ribbon. But I am going to add another layer to this, actually several layers to this look. As you saw in the beginning of the clip, it is just layers upon layers of summer goodness. But I feel like, as with design, the same is with wreath making or tree styling, even designing fashion. The way to create a luxe look is to layer on different dimensions of your design or your style. It is absolutely gorgeous with just a bow and cute little wood plaque, but as you will see, as I build on each layer, it just creates more visual interest. It creates a more 3D effect, and it gives a wow factor to the overall look. With the various florals and greenery, it is creating texture and giving another realm or level of interest to this design, and I am loving each phase of the look. The more I add, the happier I feel. And just when you think I'm done, I come back and I add yet another layer. In addition to the greenery, in addition to the beautiful calla lilies, I'm adding these nice dimensional just grass picks, but they absolutely add a very organic look to this design. And to me, that's what takes your looks from drab to fab. Yes, you can do a cute little ordinary store-bought wreath. You can even add to it and create a different look with a store-bought piece. But there's nothing like creating your own look from start to finish and watching your creation literally come to life. So guys, I am over the moon excited with this look. I'm vibing out to my music. I'm in my zone, and it is just giving me all of the summer thrills and feels as you see me here creating yet more texture, more dimension with those same florals that I used from the spring. You guys, I shopped my home for this look, as well as adding some new ribbons and the happy summer piece in the middle. But you don't always have to go out and just spend a lot of money to create new looks. Use what you have, be creative, and give it a whole new look and feel. And even at this place, if I stopped right here, it is totally fine. But you know me, you remember these from the shopping haul I shared with you guys. I went ahead and clipped every piece off of the stem because it comes on one long stem, you guys. But the beauty of buying a floral pick or a floral bush is that you can dismantle that piece and create several different layers out of that one particular pick, as you see me do here. Again, as I add each layer, the whimsy is just coming to life. It is just coming, literally popping out of my mind onto my canvas, which is this grapevine wreath form. And I love it, you guys. If I can do it, you can do it. Again, another layer. So fun. So whimsical. And that is what the beauty of home styling is, creating a space that you love. You will hear me say that over and over again. I know that trends come and go, but when you create something that you truly enjoy, something that brings you happiness and peace, that is what makes a house a home. That is what takes ordinary objects and create a masterpiece. And look at those cute little ice cream cones, you guys. It is just literally giving me all the vibes. I'm getting summer vibes. And this ice cream theme is just so fun and exciting. And at this point, you are just placing items in areas that look pleasing to you because it is full. Now you're just really adding on the lashes. And look at how cute. Look at, you guys, these have to be my favorite picks in the entire look, is those cute little lollipops. I love even the little ridges. It just gives it a very realistic look and feel. So I am just loving this. So again, there is no rhyme or reason here. I am just placing each pick in a place that they can definitely be prominent because they are my focal picks. So you want them to definitely stand out. So whatever your design you're creating, whatever your focal pick is, whatever your theme is, make sure those pieces stand out front and center. Perfect. Just like that. Make sure they have their own place and time to shine. Just I say the same thing when I'm decorating my home, when I'm styling a tree. Every piece needs its own place to shine. You don't want anything to compete with it. You don't want anything to overpower it, but everything should complement each other. And as you can see with this wreath, each layer is complementing each other, from the ribbon to the florals to the greenery to the pick. Everything just flowed seamlessly together to give me that whole fun in the sun vibe. And what I end up with is this beautiful creation, you guys. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up because this is amazing, if I do say so myself. Now, if you see what you like and you like what you see and you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, it is full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To my brand new boos and my tried and trues, I want to thank you for continuing to rock with and support your girl. I want to invite you all to follow me on my other social media sites at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You guys, I am on a summer roll. I am actually working on another project for tomorrow's video. As I sit here and edit today's video, I'm so excited and I'm just hyped. I'm feeling all the summer vibes. This definitely took it to another level for me. So to see where this beauty is styled at and how it is complementing the other pieces for my summer outdoor decor, be sure to check in for tomorrow's video. You don't want to miss it. I pray that this video gave you some inspiration. I pray that it got you motivated to style your space up for the summer and enjoy the time that you have for the rest of the summer, because summer is coming and going so fast, you guys. But until the next one, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal. And until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Bye.